What's up guys, I'm JD with MySlumberYard.com. Hopefully you're doing well. And in this video, we're gonna be going over our list for the best firm mattresses. So lots of people out there prefer a much firmer mattress. Some like something as stiff as a board and others like something like a medium firm or so. So we've hand selected around 6 to 7 picks for this list that we wanna go over with you in this video. We're gonna start out by talking about the general policies that they're all backed by. Then we'll delve into each mattress pick and tell you all about them, like their feel, firmness, pricing, and whatnot to help you out with your whole online buying process today if you're maybe looking into something firmer. Now, if we help you out today with this video, click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more. And speaking of that, there's going to be a lot more helpful content linked down below in the description box of this video. But without further ado, let's cover the best firm beds.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay, so let's start this best list off by talking about the general mattress policies that you should be getting with all these picks at bare minimum. Now, for the record, we did receive all of these picks on this list for free from their respective brands to review, so we could test them out and tell you guys about them at the end of the day. But if you order any one of them online, they should be getting to you with completely free shipping. All of them should show up on your doorstep in a box that's around like 4 feet tall. All you gotta do is just drag that box into your home, into your bedroom, tear off all the plastic and cardboard packaging, and then shortly thereafter, you will have a brand new mattress that will expand right before your eyes. Now, once the beds are in your possession, you also have a trial period of at least 100 full nights. So you get a nice chunk of time to really test them out and put them through your rigorous sleep tests to ultimately decide if they're going to be right for you. Now, if they're not for whatever reason within that time frame, you can opt for completely free returns, though most online mattress brands do like you to try them out for at least 1 full month before you make your final decision on them. But we highly doubt many folks are going to be sending these beds back anytime soon, as they're all quite nice and you're doing your research if you're watching this video. So in the case you do want to keep them, they're all backed by pretty nice warranties, at least a standard 10-year one. And if you need any more information about the policies for each individual mattress, we should have some helpful links in the description box for you to peruse. But now with all the policy stuff out of the way, let's jump right into this best list for the best firm picks. And our first one is gonna have to be the Allswell Brick mattress. Allswell is a brand that's owned by Walmart, and this is their extra firm offering. This is a hybrid bed that uses coils on the bottom for support in tandem with various foams and a quilted top panel to give it a really firm neutral foam feel. So that top quilted panel of firm foam will provide a lot of support along with those pocketed coils on the bottom. And so if you're a primary back or stomach sleeper, you're probably going to be getting the most out of it. When you push down into this bed and let go, you're going to be finding a lot of resistance from that top quilted panel. So it is going to be a much firmer option, but it's not going to be too firm for you, as it is right around a medium firm on our scale. So it still should work just fine for all sleeper types, but you are going to be getting a little bit of a support advantage if you are a primary back or stomach sleeper. One of the main perks for this mattress is its overall affordability, especially for the level of quality that you're getting here. It's going to be right around $450 for a queen size, which is a steal for an online hybrid bed. And for all the picks on this list, check the description box for any discounts we can find to help save you even more cash with your next online purchase. But moving over to the plank mattresses from Brooklyn Bedding, these are also some firm options. Sitting right next to me is the newly introduced Plank Firm Natural to their lineup, and it's also pretty dang firm, but we're mainly going to be talking about the Plank Firm and the Plank Firm Luxe. These are super firm, flippable beds from the brand Brooklyn Bedding, which is a US-based manufacturer, and we really enjoy all of their beds over here at the Slumber Yard. But the Plank Firm is an all-foam mattress, and the Plank Firm Luxe is a hybrid bed, so you've got 2 support options here to choose from. Both are going to have a much firmer neutral foam feel, so you're going to be getting not much of a sink-in sensation, but rather lots of support and pushback from these mattresses. Both the firm sides from the beds are going to be right around a medium firm, give or take, so those sides should be the most applicable options for all sleeper types. But if you flip it over to the extra firm sides, those both sit right in between a medium firm to a proper firm. So pretty much only going to be really working out for strict back or stomach sleepers looking for tons of support, or if you just prefer a much firmer bed overall. Now, with the plank beds, you do have an optional cooling cover upgrade. It'll only cost you around like $100 more to upgrade, but you do have that option available. Could be worth it to you if you're a bit of a hot sleeper. But in terms of pricing for those original baseline models of the plank beds, they're not half bad, especially when you compare them to other flippable options online. A queen size Plank Firm Luxe should cost you right around the $1150 range after discount. And that queen size Plank Firm, the all foam model, should be right around the $1,000 range after discount. So again, check the description box for whatever promotions we can find or discounts we can get you for those plank beds. Now, if you're really into memory foam, you want your next online bed to be of a memory foam feel, one of the best firmer options within the space is going to be the Nectar Mattress. So this is a super popular memory foam option, and it is an all foam bed that's also available in a hybrid version, but that version is going to cost you a little bit more. The flagship model just features 3 layers of foam. It's got support foam on the bottom, then you transition up to a transitional layer, and on top it features a really viscous memory foam. And this design adds up to give the original Nectar more of a dense memory foam feel, similar to something like a Tempur-Pedic. When you first hop on this bed, it's going to appear to be pretty dang firm, but as you slowly sink into that top memory foam layer, it's going to kind of conform to the shape of your body and soften up. It's kind of a divisive feel, this type of dense memory foam sensation. I myself am not the biggest fan of it, but if you're a memory foam lover out there, it could be right up your alley. In terms of firmness, it's going to sit right at a proper medium firm on our scale, so great for all sleeper types, but probably best for back and stomach sleepers. The original Nectar also features a machine washable cover, so if this bed happens to get dirty over time or all at once, you can just unzip that top cover and send it through your washing machine, which is pretty convenient and nice to have for a deep clean. The original Nectar mattress is also one of the most affordable memory foam options within the online space, especially after discount. So for a queen size, you can expect to pay right around the $700 range after a discount is applied. And again, you should be able to find one with Nectar in terms of our Slumber Yard discounts down below in the description box. If you want more of a firm latex foam feel, maybe a natural and organic offering for many green thumbs out there, you might want to check out one of the most affordable options from Avocado, which is their Eco-Organic bed. This bed uses coils for support, natural latex foam for comfort, in addition to organic cotton and wool for extra comfort. And these elements all add up to give the Eco-Organic a really responsive latex foam feel. So latex foam, if you didn't know already, is one of the only naturally derived types of foams that's still used within beds. It's actually made from the collected sap of a rubber tree that's been fired off into a mold. And this type of mattress feel is pretty much really springy, responsive, and kind of spongy, for lack of a better term. And it's kind of like the opposite of a memory foam. So with a memory foam, you get lots of sink-in, body cradling sensations. But with a latex foam, it's really fast to respond and it provides little to no sink-in. That being said though, it does have a little bit of give and pressure relief, just not as much as a memory foam, and you're still probably going to find it to be pretty accommodating. The Eco-Organic is going to be a pretty firm mattress for you. On our scale, it sits right in between a medium firm and a proper firm, so you're going to be getting a lot of resistance and pushback from this mattress due to those coils and those various responsive comfort elements above. So it's probably going to work out best for stricter back or stomach sleepers looking for tons of support from their latex hybrid. Avocado's Eco-Organic bed also meets a ton of ecological certifications to back up just how sustainable and ethically sourced the bed is. It's Green Guard Gold certified. It meets the global organic latex and textile standards. There's a ton of stuff certification-wise that goes into this bed, and we'll try to link more information down below in the description. But in terms of pricing, right now you can expect to pay right around the $1,300 range for that queen size MSRP. And check the description because we usually can find some pretty sweet discounts with Avocado, so check down there. Now, most heavier folks perceive beds to be a lot softer than they truly are, so if you're a much heavier individual and you still want a really firm bed, maybe check out the Titan Plus mattress. This is a really firm and supportive option for most heavier folks out there, and the bed is also manufactured by Brooklyn Bedding, so you are getting a US-based product here. It uses thicker gauge coils than your average hybrid bed, so it should be a really supportive option for especially heavier people. You know, since it does use those thicker gauge coils, it's going to provide a lot of support for you, and you shouldn't really be sinking into this bed that much. And those coils, along with its various comfort foams, give it a really firm and responsive foam feel. You're going to be getting lots of support here, keyword there. And in terms of firmness, it's also right in between a medium firm and a proper firm on our scale, so really going to work out great for strict back and stomach sleepers. If you do want something that's a little bit softer than that firmness, but not by much, and you also want a little bit of a comfort upgrade from your Titan mattress, maybe check out the Titan Plus Luxe. We'll try to link that in the description box as well. It's a super comfy bed with more of a responsive memory foam feel. Since the bed is from Brooklyn Bedding, you do also have that optional cooling cover upgrade. Again, it's probably going to cost you $100 extra, but you do have that option available for hot sleepers. And in terms of pricing, the queen size retails for right around the $1,250 mark, but after discount, check the description box for it. You should be paying just shy of the $950 range. So again, check that description box. We should have something with Titan Plus down there for you. And last, but certainly not least, we have a really unique feeling option for anyone who wants a firm bed that's also a hybrid one. We have the Purple Restore hybrid mattress, and this is basically for the more adventurous adventurous firm mattress buyer. It uses something called the GelFlex grid on top, and this is basically a rubber-like material that's laid out in a grid format across the top of an entire mattress. It's really stretchy and responsive, and it somehow manages to feel soft and firm at once. So it gives the Purple Restore a really unique feel. It almost feels kind of like a cross between a lot of support and pressure relief. When you lay down on your back on this material on the Purple Restore, you might feel a sensation of weightlessness, but then when you switch to your side, it'll conform to the shape of your shoulders and hips, offering a pretty nice amount of pressure relief. Altogether, it's a super interesting feel, and since the Purple Restore also includes coils for support on the bottom, it should be able to withstand and handle all body types, including much heavier people. It's available in 2 firmness levels. You've got a soft and a firm model to choose from. For this list, we'd obviously recommend the firm. It should be right around a medium firm on our scale, give or take for you. So it should work for all sleeper types just fine, but probably going to be a more supportive option for strict back and stomach sleepers. One perk for the Purple Restore is the amount of airflow that you're going to get from this bed, so it's going to be a pretty nice option for hot sleepers. And for a queen size, pricing isn't half bad for the level of quality that you're getting here. Right now, as of when I'm doing this video, you can expect to pay right around the $2,100 mark for a queen size Purple Restore. Again, check the description box for whatever we can find for you. But that's pretty much going to sum it up for this best list. You know, an honorable mention for me for this list, just to throw it out there, would be the newly updated Bare Original. It has firmed up quite a bit from the previous model, so keep that in mind. It's a great firm all-foam mattress. We'll link a lot more information that we've recently done on the newly updated Bare Original down below in the description box if you want to know more about that one. But that's going to do it for this list. What did you guys think? Was there maybe a firm option that I missed putting on this thing? Write us down below in the comments. We would love to know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. And again, check the description box for discounts and more information related to these mattresses that I went over. Hopefully you learned something from this video and we pointed you towards your next firm mattress, but that's going to do it for this one. I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well out there, and like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.